Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best dive computer you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Cressi Leonardo Underwater Single Button Diving Computer. This dive computer from Cressi may not have seen quite as many sales as their Leonardo series, but it has made the bestseller list with online retailers, and customer feedback has been very positive. On the Amazon page, for example, after about 200 individual customer ratings, the average customer rating still comes out at 4.5 stars out of a possible 5 stars. It has a large, high visibility, backlit display screen, with large numerical displays for all your dive data. The 3-button interface is easily accessible at the bottom of the display. It can be used to bring up various dive data, such as depth, dive time, ascent rate, need for decompression, etc. As far as safety goes, you're presented with both visual and audible warning alarms when needed. There are just 3 simple main operating modes: air, nitrox, and gauge. You can choose which parameters to use for your oxygen percentage, or oxygen partial pressure. You can also choose whether to have the deep stop on or off. Built-in. Pros: long battery life. Easy to change the battery without needing to take it to a dive shop. Lightweight and compact. Available in a range of colors to help you stand out from your dive buddies. Cons: no air integration. Number 2. Mares Puck Pro Wrist Dive Computer for Scuba Diving. The Mares Puck Pro Wrist Dive Computer truly comes at a bargain price. In fact, we haven't come across a more affordable brand new dive computer. It's great for beginners because it's so simple, streamlined, and straightforward. It has a large display, only showing the most key dive data. This includes depth, time elapsed, and residual nitrogen gauge. Plus it has a very intuitive interface which is very easy to use, using just one single button to work it. And the other things we like about it is that it has upgradable firmware, and how it has multi-gas capability, so your gauge stays relevant, regardless of where you are in your dive. It works up to depths of 150 meters, or 492 feet. It's available in a choice of 6 different colors, though the strap itself is always plain black. Alarms are both audible and clearly visible on the screen and can be adjusted to users' needs. I also really like the large screen and single-button interface, as they make this dive computer very easy to use. The Cressi Leonardo Diving Computer comes in a variety of stylish colors, meaning you can use it to add to your customized scuba emblem. Pros: Bluetooth connectivity. Automatic altitude adjustment. Slimmer size. Gas switching of 2 gases. Cons: strap is fairly short. Number 3. Cressi Scuba Diving Computer, for dive programs. You can customize your own computer screens that are easy to scroll through during the dive. Now, this is a fantastic dive computer for beginners, and it's by far one of the better sellers with online retailers. It has a large, user-friendly, backlit display. Your various dive data is displayed in high contrast with large letters and numbers, making it very easy to read. Moreover, the amount of data that is displayed is minimized, and you can choose between metric and imperial measurements. There's also a battery life indicator, and a CNS oxygen toxicity graphic indicator. As for safety warnings, there are visual and distinct alarms combined with very easy-to-hear audible alarms. It's super easy to use too. There's just one single button to get used to using, and there's a very intuitive menu. There are just 4 different operating modes, and these are air, nitrox, and gauge. You have a choice of 13 different strap styles to choose from, all of which are unisex. As far as dive computers go, they don't tend to get much more affordable than this. Pros: the high quality of Cressi products. Various color options. Imperial and metric display. Advanced digital compass. Cons: no safety stop timer. Number 4. Shearwater Research Peregrine Dive Computer. The Shearwater Research Peregrine by Shearwater has a 2.2-inch LED display with striking colors that enhance the visibility of the diver even in low lighting. You can also customize the menu according to your preference. The design is simple, with 2 buttons to make menu navigation easily understandable. The watch provides 4 operational diving modes: air, which assists in recreational diving; nitrox, which gives the diver 1 gas up to 40%, 3 gas nitrox, where the diver can choose from a mixture of 3 gases as well as opt for oxygen for up to 100%, and gauge, which provides functions of depth, time, resettable stopwatch. The watch comes with the option of wireless charging through the manufacturer-provided USB pad. The manufacturer claims that the battery can last up to 30 hours if used on medium brightness. The Shearwater Research Peregrine is less pricey than other technologically advanced watches and provides all essential features for a diver. Moreover, you get great customer support in case your watch shows defects. Pros: the backlight on time is adjustable. Stylish look. Free diving mode. Advanced digital compass. Cons: not suitable for a small wrist. Number 5. Seek Partner Wrist Mount Freediving Computer. The Seek Partner by Seek is available in 2 colors, red and black. The display is backlit to ensure better visibility for the diver. All the main information, such as temperature, dive time, surface time, depth, etc., is provided on the same screen for the diver's ease. The watch has countdown and stopwatch functions. Moreover, the watch is powered by a CR2032 battery that is water-resistant for up to 100 mAh, which is more than enough for recreational diving. Manufacturers claim the battery life to be 1 year. They also claim that the watch logs information for up to 99 dives, which is, again, ideal for diving as a hobby. The watch provides very accurate measurements for the external environment when one is diving. It also gives a very diverse set of options, all of which a beginner might not even need to use. However, the Seek Partner's buttons cannot be used underwater because the watch is not entirely waterproof. The best thing about the Sunto Zoop Novo is that you don't have to put in very much effort to receive the information you need. Just turn it on and jump in the water. The rest is taken care of. Pros: deep stop mode. Stopwatch. Many modes and settings. Cons: no built-in compass. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.